in the sightseeing park. Our first destination is Joshimath waterfall. So we tried Google Map and it showed that it's 2 kilometers from our hotel. So let's see before breakfast if we can enjoy the waterfall sightseeing. It's the morning Auli. Everyone is sleeping. The marketplace is so silent. But their sun has come up. The morning has started. It's come to me. Look, the view. Camera can't explain the beauty. The ice mountain, the sun, and the shadow. 3 birds. It's 8 in the morning, 9th day in India. These are the Joshimath village houses stay. In the morning. Who doesn't want to live in here? We are now crossing Char Dham. ये तो मेरी पेंटिंग की कैनवास है. My God, morning early. It's morning early, and it's 8:10, 9th day in India. Oh God, I love trekking between the mountain. It was fun in Rishikesh. It's fun in here. Too much. I can't explain the feelings of trekking in mountains. Okay, after 40-minute trek, we reached our destination point.
Waterfall.
Just look behind me. It's Jogidhar.
Waterfall.
Just look behind me. It's Jogidhar waterfall, and it's awesome. It's the first waterfall I have seen in my life. It's a smaller one actually. We choose this one because it was only 40 kilometer trek from our 2 kilometer trek from our hotel. Okay, we are leaving the Jogi waterfall. Okay friends, this video ends here. The Jogi waterfall. See you guys within new video. If you like my channel, then share my video and stay with me. Have fun with me. Travel with me. I'm Simia Zawad. Goodbye.